kaymade-tech here. All right. So this video we will be looking at what we call FTP. What is an FTP? FTP is a file transfer protocol and it's been around for some time and it remains a plain text unencrypted protocol that operates on TCP port 21. All right. So what does this do? The FTP transfers files, but like as I just said now, that this it does this in an unsecured manner and it's unencrypted manner and it's in plain text, so it's unsecure. That means everything that you do using FTP, Wireshark packet capture would see everything in plain text, so there's nothing hidden. All right, for the purpose of this video, we will be using our Kali Linux machine and our Metasploitable machine. So I will go ahead to confirm that the both machines are running. As you can see here, this is Metasploitable and this is Kali. And also, if I run ifconfig, they are both on the same network. If you recall on my videos, we try to do this in a controlled environment. So we can, when you do things in a controlled environment, because normally I shouldn't FTP into somebody's server, that is illegal. So all our videos are done in a controlled environment. And if you are wondering what do I mean by a controlled environment, you could go to our previous videos. It talks about creating a virtualized environment whereby you can practice ethical hacking, you can practice blue team, you can practice all you want to do within a controlled environment. That way you are not getting into bigger trouble by FTP into somebody else's virtual machine or network. And when you FTP, what do? You could easily download or upload files. So that's why it's not something that you can just do into somebody's network. That could cause you legal trouble. Okay, so now that we've confirmed that the IP address is this, let me pull up Kali Linux ifconfig, and we can see that the IP address here also is they are both on the same network. .50 that's 192.168.56.122. So now that we have both IP address, what do we do next? So the next thing we do is let's clear this. To FTP into my Metasploitable machine, all I just need to do is type it FTP. It's just like the SSH, the username msfadmin at the IP address 192.168.50.122. So it says it's successful. Okay, let's all right. I wanted to launch Wireshark so that we can see what we mean when we say FTP is in plain text. So I launch Wireshark here. Okay, so Wireshark is up and running. So let's do that again. FTP username at IP address, enter. Okay, so we are in there now. So this is a file transfer. So what can we do here? We could look at the directives. Either type in dir. It tells us all the directories in that um, home, and we can change the directory to root ed backslash now in root, and we can look at the directory here. So you see we have a lot more things. Okay. We can also upload and download. So, but first, let's go back to, okay, let's quickly download a file. So, okay, before we do that, let's go into, let's clear this. Where do I want to download this file to? ls. Okay, these are the list of the files here, right? I will go back to, so let's here. So, cd, let me see. Let's go, okay, let's do ls red team one. I just want to see if there's a file there I can take. Okay, so there's a file there, boys.txt. So let's go to cd. Let's change the directories to that folder. ls red. Okay, awesome. So that's the file. So now, in order for us to get that file, we just type in get. That's to download that file, boys.txt, and click enter. Let fill on. That's it. Get text. All right, as you can see, so it was a typo error. As you can see now, it says entry 229 150 open binary mode data 100% transfer complete. So let's go verify that. So this was when I ran ls for the download. This is how what ls has. I remember I downloaded the boys.txt, and as you can see, yeah. Now let's go to Wireshark and apply a display filter. So we're going to type in FTP, and we're going to have to go. Okay, so this is where the fonts part is. We're going to look through here. You're going to see that we can see the username and the password. So if we here, scroll down, file transfer protocol, the user MSF admin, then password, password MSF admin. So you see that this is in plain text. Then we did some transfer, right? Let's scroll down here. Transfer complete. So it now shows us that we've transferred a file, boys.txt. All right, so that is the third part of FTP because it everything it does is in plain text and it's not secure. It's not secure and it's encrypted. So if we go here, we can always see password, plain text, password. Yeah, 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 I see. Password. Tells you what the password is. MS. So, this user request argument, and that's the password for the user. All right, so this is one of the, and that's why this hasn't been, it's not something that people really use. It's been around 1971, And so when you're using this, you need to be extremely careful because anybody that sniffs and captures data, they see everything. So it makes it easy for them to promote into your computer once they have this information. Because this information you can use it SSH into the computer, into the meta exploitable virtual machine. So that's why having your username and password out like this, it's not something advisable. All right. So that is the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and also leave your comments, and we'll try to respond to all. And thank you again for watching the video.